Hello friends, I am Shunat Takte and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Learn Up Tutorials You Grow with Skills. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get all kinds of video notifications. You can improve your skills. In this lecture, I am going to talk on how to improve public speaking skill in English. So, as in the skills, listening, speaking, reading, and writing, speaking and writing, these are output based skills. And as these are output based skills, they are reproduced with more intensity, with more concerns, and anybody wants to show their improvements in these skills. So, public speaking is an approach towards the social and intellectual circle. We connect with people, we try to attach with them with the sense that we have to share something, we have to say something, we have to express something. That may be informative, that may be in a type of question and answer, or that may be just an inquiry. So here we'll identify its relevance, its importance, its mechanism, and how we can improve our speaking skill. So first of all, we'll look for the speaking is an essential public skill. Anybody wants to express, anybody wants to demonstrate their skills, their knowledge with others in the form of a speaking, a kind of presentation. So, in order to present yourself through language, you'll have to speak very clearly, very lucid, and in a simple way. And that is the key to success, really. So, as we know that in order to speak freely in a simple manner, we have to have a good public appearance. We have to be very, and essentially we have to get stage daring. Without stage daring, we can't be able to express ourselves freely and effectively. Yes. So, how can you get that things? If you take an initiative, if you start speaking in front of mirror, and you can simply start speaking with your colleagues, your friends, that can improve your public speaking, that can improve your confidence. So, after all, confidence is necessary, it is an essential thing in public speaking. One more thing in speaking skill is you have to be very alert, very aware about your presentation, about your way of speaking. It means the presence of mind is important in this regard. And how can you interact, how can you speak fluently in that way, fluently in that trance, or for that purpose you have to think, you have to say that multiple roles we define, we do in this regard. So as a speaker, what you can do, what you can perform, so these are different activities. As an anchor, you can do your role. As a mediator, you can do your role, and while doing these roles you have to speak, you have to use your public speaking skills. Similarly, with anchoring and mediator, you will have to give some oral presentations. You will have to give some introductions, public introductions, some invitations, or some announcements you'll have to do. You'll have to make some announcements. So to do such an effective role in this kind, you have to acquire soft skills, how to deal with people, how to deal with their actions, and how to adjust our energy with them. So this is a rough idea about public speaking skill. Yeah. So what are the essential things to improve your speaking skill? That is another thing. So in order to improve your speaking skill and how to speak the skill effectively, you have to pay attention towards some things. First is listening skill. So you will have to listen a lot, listen various things and for various reasons. So radio programs are very useful while you can fulfill your listening skill, because there is a range of programs on radio channels, FM, and there are some TV channels which are very useful in order to fulfill your listening abilities. You'll have to make your ear ready for the activities to perform the things. Then you must have good knowledge of pronunciation, intonation patterns, falling tone, rising tone, falling, rising tone, rising, falling tone, good tone of your voice modulation is essential for public speaking. Then I must say, you should have knowledge of stress, accent, these things, how these things are important, because English is a stressed time language, while our Indian languages like Marathi, Hindi, these are syllable time languages. So the stressed and the unstressed syllables, they come after intervals, one after another. So you will have to pay attention towards this stress scheme in language. You can't produce uh, the words and the syllables or the parts of words in English with same force, with same energy. So it is unintelligible talk. So good knowledge of stress is also important. In case of accent, yes, there are different accents, there are different dialectical versions in English, uh, American English, British English, Canadian English. They have some different accentual background. But nowadays it is time to be unaccentuate, or it is time to be neutral while speaking in English, because you are dealing with the people from different countries. If you are dealing with people from different localities, you'll have to be very neutral, in the sense anybody can understand your speaking. That's important. Then we must have to pay attention towards how we can use speaking effectively in a classroom, in a function, in a program, or anywhere else. So the first and the foremost thing is start by doing. If you want to do this, don't wait for any others to push up us. No, you will have to start by yourself first, and little by little, day after day, you will find yourself improving your way of using languages, your way of using the introductions at a good length. So the first thing is that if you want to speak in English, if you want to start speaking in English, you'll have to think in English. I repeat, you will have to think in English. So when you start thinking in English, you will definitely feel free to speak in English. You can easily be attached with others when you feel free to speak. You can speak very simple and lucid expressions while communicating with others. So that is just to continue your communication, your interaction with others. And here your expressions, if you use very short expressions, that will be very important for the teachers, and especially for the students to continue in interaction. So first thing, that think in English, that will lead you to speak in English effectively, fluently. Then use simple and short expressions. Good day, good afternoon, good morning, how are you, thank you, how are you. So such expressions you can use to deal with or to continue with the things. Then you'll have to take a lead. Unless and until you do not take lead, you can't do much better. So you will have to take a lead, and by leading you can set an example. So it is simply the thing you can do, or with doing you can improve your speaking. So start speaking with others, start speaking with your friends, your roommates and others, and as you start doing this, you will think that it is easy task, it is very simple task, and also it is interesting one. So at the last I must say that you will have to be positive to use your skills to handle your energy, your task with others, with this all spirit. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this short lecture on improving speaking skill. So if you want to see my other videos, so please